Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Tecno Tutor TV. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use voice search on YouTube TV so you can find your favorite shows, movies, and channels without having to type anything. Alright, so voice search on YouTube TV works through your TV remote or your phone, depending on what device you're using. Let's go through both ways. The first and easiest way is using your TV remote. If you have a Google TV, Android TV, or a device like the NVIDIA Shield or Chromecast with Google TV, your remote already has a built-in microphone button. It usually looks like a small microphone icon. Just press and hold that button and say what you're looking for. For example, you can say, search for The Office on YouTube TV, or just ESPN, and it'll pull it right up. You can also say things like, show me live sports, or find comedy movies, and Google will do the rest. The second way is using the YouTube TV app on your phone as a remote. Open the YouTube TV app, tap on the cast icon to connect to your TV, and then tap the microphone icon inside the app. From there, you can speak your search just like you would on the remote. Now, a few tips to get the best results out of voice search. Be specific with your search. Instead of just saying sports, try saying NFL games today or live basketball. Speak clearly and at a normal pace. And make sure your remote's microphone is not blocked by anything. Voice search is honestly one of the most underrated features on YouTube TV. Once you start using it, you'll never want to go back to typing. That's it for today. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to Tecno Tutor TV for more easy and quick tech tutorials. See you in the next one.